So it's about 6 o'clock on Thursday night, and literally
It was 8 degrees in Chicago.
it was 80 it's 80 degrees here in Chicago, and it's starting to look like it's getting to be a large thunderstorm from the tropical storm that the Weather Channel has called for. And there's people riding their bikes down the street while it's raining. Anyways, it's really dark outside. The clouds are moving fast, and the wind is about maybe 5 to 15 miles an hour right now, Mom. Wouldn't you think?
Yeah.
And so, yeah. And then I'll probably update you guys at around 8. Okay, bye guys. Thanks.